Sorry all, HobbyBox604 back with the box break. I just put the teams and names on Facebook for you guys to see who you got. Just showing the date and the time, 10:02. That's when I came back, Sunday, May 5th, 10:02. That was 3 minutes ago. And we're gonna do this break. Okay, good luck everybody. Let's get some good hits here. Some crazy Edmonton hits, that would be nice. Make up for the loss, the Canucks. Oops, sorry. Make up for the loss, the Canucks. Hopefully we'll get some good hits here. Let's see if this is better. Pack 1 is the Threats, Boston Bruins, Authentic Threats, Patrice Bergeron. Authentic Threats, Patrice Bergeron, base, 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 and base. A little messy here. Sorry guys. This setup is not the best. Anyways. Okay. Yeah, there you go. This is better here. Base, base. We got the Icebreakers. The shiny Icebreakers. San Jose. Base, 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 base. Base, 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 base. This feels thick. Base, base, base. Icebreakers for the St. Louis Blues. Ryan Reeves. Ryan Reeves, St. Louis Blues. Decoy. Base, 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 base. Base, 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 all base. Base, base. We have a Team Pinnacle, Henrik Sedin and Steven Stamkos. That'll be a random between Vancouver and Tampa, unless both are the same. Teams, I mean the players are the same, the owners are the same, we'll see. But other than that, is a random between Tampa and Vancouver. We have a Dave Schultz, Philadelphia Flyers, Tough Times, insert, base, base, base. Base, base, base. Mike Richards, not Icebreakers, but I know it's an insert for Philadelphia Flyers. Decoy and base. We have the Artist Proof. Yeah, Artist Proof. Steve Ott. Dallas Stars. Steve Ott, Artist Proof. And base. Base, base, base. Icebreakers for the Boston Bruins, Steven Kampfer. Thought it was Tyler Seguin for a second. Not huge, but still not bad to get a Seguin rookie. I'll do a recap at the end so you guys can see too. More base. This place is just falling apart. Decoy. All base. Come on. Gotta have some autos in. better jersey cards in here. Base. Canvas, chemistry on canvas. San Jose Sharks, Joe Thornton and Danny Heatley. Base. This feels thick, but I think it's a decoy. Base. Brett Burns, Minnesota Wild. That's a nobody because Minnesota and Phoenix are out. But I'll just give that to somebody that didn't hit. Base. Oh, we got our other hit. It's coming up as City Lights. City Lights jersey for Colorado Avalanche, Paul Stastny. Where are the autos on here? I thought there should be a few autos in there. Where are the autos? Come on. Icebreakers, Taylor Hall for Edmonton Oilers. Not bad. That's not a bad hit. Definitely not a bad hit. Base. Nice. Base. Dummy. Base. Yep, these are all base. Base. Tough Times autographs for Philadelphia. Bob Kelly. Philadelphia Flyers. Bob Kelly. Tough Times autograph. Well, Philly, I guess, got both of the Tough Times. One auto, one not auto. Base. And we have another shiny one from Minnesota. Nicholas Backstrom. Just a shiny insert. Base. Come on, we gotta have better cards than this. This can't be a horrible first break. It's gotta be better. It's gotta be better. Come on, a few more packs left. Hopefully we get something. Icebreakers for Nashville, and there's Lindback. Nashville Predators. And there's Lindback. And base. 2 packs left. A thick pack and a thin pack, which is decoy most likely. Oh no, it looks like a City Light. Base. City Light non-auto. Calgary Flames, Rene Bourque. City Lights non-auto for Calgary, Rene Bourque. And our last pack, which hopefully be an auto, but it is not. It's a saving face for Carolina Hurricanes, Cam Ward. Cam Ward for Carolina, and it's all base. Okay, let's just quickly do a recap. Carolina Hurricane. Oh, actually, let's go from. Okay, actually, this one is numbered out of 499. Patrice Bergeron, Boston Bruins. Threats. Then we had the Icebreakers Rainbow for San Jose, Justin Brown. Regular Icebreakers for St. Louis, Ryan Reeves. Tough Times insert, Dave Schultz, Philadelphia Flyers. Shiny card of Mike Richards, Philadelphia Flyers. A artist proof, Steve Ott, Dallas Stars. Not numbered. A Icebreakers for the Boston Bruins, Steven Kampfer. A canvas, chemistry on canvas for San Jose, Thornton and Heatley. A shiny card of Brett Burns, Minnesota Wild. Paul Stastny, City Lights for Colorado Avalanche. Icebreakers rookie card of Taylor Hall for Edmonton Oilers. An autograph, Tough Times autograph, Bob Kelly, Philadelphia Flyers. Shiny card of Nicholas Backstrom, Minnesota. Icebreakers of Anders Lindback for Nashville. A City Lights jersey card of Rene Bourque, Calgary Flames. And the last one was Saving Face of Cam Ward, Carolina Hurricanes. This was the first break. It was $250 a spot. Oh, sorry. Before I say that, we had a random to do between Tampa and Canucks for this team Pinnacle, unless they're the same owners. But I will look into that and do the randoms. Again, thanks for joining my break. I'll be having affordable breaks done every Sunday. For now, one box, or maybe we do multiple boxes. I'll be posting up the next one for next Sunday. It's cheap, it's affordable, and I'll definitely have some giveaways in the upcoming ones. Just join our Facebook, make sure you like it, and we will definitely have some good boxes coming up in the near future. Thanks again for joining, and again, check Hobbybox 604 for our Facebook page. Thanks, guys.